stacker on a journey to find silver. International Stacker.
Hey guys, International Stacker here, and I got another unboxing for you. This one is from Prohibited Metals. Let's get into it. Prohibited Metals always packages well with the fiber tape. Okay. Box within a box. There we go. Okay, I got this empty tube. You all know what this is. Some storage. Since I started getting some constitutional silver, I got some cases for it. So we'll fill those up soon. Here's the silver. Thank you. Get the receipt out. Okay. The usual magnet, and I got one of those actually. So okay. So I got two of the 2017 links from the Canadian Mint. Very nice. I got 4 1-ounce American flag bars. Which are nice. And then I got some constitutional silver. Looks like I got a Walk in Liberty. Awesome. What year is it? 1944. Got a Franklin. 1950. Nice. That's actually in pretty good shape, that one, huh? Another Walk in Liberty. 1937. Decent shape. And 1964 Kennedy, all 90% silver. So now I can use this. And then for my dimes, I got a bunch of dimes. Where are my dimes? Dimes. Now I've got something better to keep them in. Nice. Yeah, some of these dimes I found in my old collection. I know you all saw when I went to the coin dealer and got some silver. Well, when I went through my old coin collection from when I was young, I had some of these dimes. So that was pretty cool. Alright. Awesome. Alright guys. Well, catch you on the next one. Thanks.